Namaskar. We are having interfaces and employee movement topic to share with you. In the organization, in 99.99% organization, people ignore the interfaces. What happened? Department is having work which is connected with other department. For example, departmental recruitment in any department, let it be purchase department, accounts department, finance department, any department is the common interface with HR department.
बंद करिए.
Vice versa, HR department should have, as HR department common interface is recruitment with all the department. Similarly, induction program is the common interface with all the department in the organization. For the induction program, when person is appointed in the department, HR department is the process owner, and they get in touch with the department HOD with the program, and thus they start the program, they end the program, and they hand over the inductee to the concerned department, putting on the job on his desk. So for this concerned department interface, as far as that matter is concerned, the training with the HR department, and vice versa, HR department interface training is common with all the department. Payment, that is the conveyance, travel, all this payment is the work happening in the accounts department, but this is the interface with other departments. Means the employees of department will approach to accounts department on time to time basis. When it happens, they will claim the voucher, they will get the money. Purchase department interface related to stationery purchase is with HR department, but issuance of the stationery to each employee is work of HR and interface with all the department. Whereas purchase of stationery is not the interface of other department with the purchase department. Similarly, salary payment, processing and handing over is the work and interface with the accounts department only, not any other department. And other department will get the salary from the account department, so they are the interface with each other. Grievance handling related to the salary computation and salary given to the each employee, that grievance will be handled by the HR department. So grievance is the interface related to all the department, not restricted to few department. As I told you, in the purchase there is the restriction. The stationery purchase is only from between HR will place the order and purchase and hand it over to HR. Purchase is not going to issue the stationery. Quality, production, manufacturing, service operation are interfaces with the quality, and vice versa. If anything related to quality happens, it is the job of the quality department to sort it out, talking to the concerned department who has raised the quality related issue. Now, why all these are being discussed? Why these are discussed? Interfaces means what? The work which is common in 1, 2, 3 departments together. As I shared with you, and employee movement. Why this topic we have taken today? That you might have seen that employees are loitering in the organization for one reason or other reason. And in the most of the region, they talk about the work related to interfaces. If you are taking any action that Mr. X, why you were with the accounts department, what work you have got with them, they will say anything. But it is not fact. They are there for chit chat. Such implies movement is not restricted, whereas in the organization, employee works for 8 hours only, and out of 8 hours, almost 1 or 2 hours goes in the lunch, tea, breakfast, and for few unsaid work like smoke and all. So person cannot give his best, and thus the individual productivity will suffer, cannot be achieved. So it becomes the concern of the organization. And the more of the people moving here and there in the department for chit chat with the friends, joking, cracking, and then they are going at their place, then their movements are not restricted. And when they are not available on their place, then they cannot perform the work. When they cannot perform the work, then the productivity will definitely adversely affected. And this scenario, one employee into number of employee involved into this kind of the loitering in the organization, if continues, then internal strength of the organization will be questionable. In discipline, let us say indiscipline increases in the organization. Whereabout of the person is always questionable and unseen. What kind of work persons are doing meeting with each other without any internal interfaces is also points to catch. In such circumstances, the internal strength of organization weaks, individual productivity weaks, indiscipline goes up, then how to control the organization is the question. For this, very simple system is there, that what work you have got, you talk to your senior, then you go to the department, get the work done and come back. Going the department, attending the interfaces work is not the harm, but it should be known to your senior and your HOD, so that if anybody is asking you, or they are having in mind about your movement, that you are going here and there for this work which is genuine, and then they take the call that that work was about to be completed in 5 minutes. If you are overstay 15 minutes, immediately they will call, where is Mr. Sam? Because at the end of the day, who he may be or who she may be in the organization, irrespective of the post and position, all are at the end of the day responsible and accountable for the individual productivity. आपने दिन भर में क्या काम किया? Organization wants to know. It is not that you come and go, there is no account. No. What is your role and responsibility? What is your KRA? What is the work of the day? If all these things are not remembered and balanced, then situation will go beyond to your control. Therefore, study of interfaces. आपको परचेज से काम करना है तो आप परचेज डिपार्टमेंट में जाके वापस आएँ, न कि आप परचेज डिपार्टमेंट में जाके फिर एडमिन डिपार्टमेंट में, फिर अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट, फिर जो है क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट, फिर जो है रिकवरी डिपार्टमेंट, फिर आप घूम के दोस्ती निभाते हुए और आप पता चला 5 मिनट में काम करके आने की जगह आप 2 घंटे के बाद आ रहे हैं. दैट इज़ अनअफोर्डेबल, एंड देयरफॉर ऑल द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आर लुकिंग फॉर अ सिस्टम बेस्ड वर्किंग स्टाइल. Most of the organization are maintaining internal register with the admin department or with the HR department, where you have to write that for which purpose you want to go to any department. So employee movement is restricted and very much controlled. Otherwise, sitting at the phone is given to you on your tabletop. Please speak to him, sort it out your problem. But no doubt, if sometimes you have to go and sort out the problem, you go. But don't make the friendship, hello, hi, and kill the time, waste the time, and later on you are coming up with the enjoying the time, and the time we should be productive, that has been made unproductive. And instead of working 6 hours available to you, minusing this lunch and dinner, you are not working even 6 hours. Then in these circumstances, it becomes very difficult to manage the situation by the employer, and employee also becomes very poor, and he starts talking ill about the organization, which is not good. Hope you will take care of yourself and ensuring that there will not be this kind of the situation occurring because of you in the organization. So high productivity and nuisance, high productivity will be increased, nuisance value will be minimized. Thank you very much.